Hi, today I am showing you a power pivot, basic power pivot formula. So what is power pivot actually? Power pivot is that type of pivot table. It's a upgrade version of that pivot table actually, you can say. So what is this actually? You can do the relationship, you can create the relationship between two and more than two tables with that help of power pivot. So it's a basically data modeling technology in Excel that allows users to create the data models. Established relationship. See, the established relationship between these two table. This is my one table and this here has my one table. Okay. So the relationship, it's help to create the relationship between two table. You will have seen here that here has that full name. See the item full name and the item category. See item full name and that item category. This is my item table and here are that all data table. So all data table here has that customer name, location, region. See the item date, quantity, rate and value. So here has only one column, that item column, and in this sheet here has also that item column. So item column in that both sheet are common. So using this common item column we can create a relationship between two tables with the help of that power pivot. That is the main motto of our power pivot. So it can be said that established the relationship, perform the calculations. It's a modern data modeling. Basically now it is used in Power BI also. So just have a look how the Power Pivot creates the relationship between two tables and how it works actually. So we have two table here, okay, in two sheet. So I will create the relationship between two sheets. Okay, just I'm going here that Power Pivot tab. Go to the Power Pivot window and then manage. I'm clicking on this manage, and here going in that Power Pivot table, just add to data model. Okay, see this data has been added in the data model. Okay, again I'm going and clicking this sheet and add to data model. I will keep my cursor here, then itself it will add. If I keep here, then it will not add. There will show the create table. Okay, but this is my table format, so keeping on this cursor I have to put the add data model. So see, two tables have been added. Now I will create a pivot table from here. Okay, from here I can create a pivot table in a new sheet or existing sheet, or we can create the pivot table going in the tab Power Pivot and manage, and from this one. Okay, otherwise we can create a pivot table going in insert button from data model, this new sheet, new worksheet. So I'm clicking from here. See, there are two tables. Okay, there are two tables. So just I'm creating on the right click on the table and the creating the relationship. So in active, first I forgot that Going in that power pivot and this manage, I will create the relationship here. See the diagram view. See here the diagram view. So clicking on the diagram view, see here has the two table. Okay, so I'm relating here. See here also the item and here also the item. So item is the common things from the both table. So I am creating the relationship, dragging that item and item. See when I'm hovering of the my cursor on that arrow key, that time it is showing that 1 to many. See 1 to many. So what is the meaning of actually 1 to many? See 1 to many from here to here. So 1 to many means this is my unique data table. So it can be said dimension table also in data analytical language, and this is my several data. This in this table I have that several and repeated data. So this can be said also a fact table in the in your data analytical language. This is the fact table. This is the fact table actually. This is the fact table, and this is my dimension table, because here has that unique value and here has the lot of means repeated value is here. Okay, so I have created the relationship between this. So I'm going to the Excel. See here in that left column in the upper. So I'm clicking here, going to the Excel sheet, and from there that item full name, I'm taking the item full name, because this item full name was not in this table but relation has been created. So the item full name and its quantity value. See it has come. If I want the date wise, so I'm taking this date and the filter I'm taking here. So then I'm taking from here. Okay, so the date will come, I'm extracting from here. Now date will come like this. Okay, the January. So the January month and that February month. Okay, so if I bring that location wise also, the location wise will also will come. I'm taking this, right click in the classic format, right click display and that classic format. See the location wise, you can do location in the upper by dragging this one. See the location wise report. I'm extracting this one, the location wise report, and this one I can make a column chart from here. This is my column chart also. So if I want to see that the March, so March data is here. If I want to see that January, the January data is here. See, okay, that's it.